Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use a Western Union Visa card. This tutorial will walk you through the steps to activate, load, and use your card for everyday transactions. First, you need to activate your card by calling the customer service number provided with your card or by visiting the Western Union website. You will be required to provide your card details and personal information to verify your identity. Once your card is activated, you can load funds onto it using various methods such as direct deposit, bank transfer, or cash reload at a Western Union location. You can also set up automatic transfers from your bank account to your card. To use your card, simply swipe or insert it at a merchant terminal. Select the credit option and enter your PIN. You can use your card to make purchases online, in-store, or over the phone, wherever Visa is accepted. When making a purchase, make sure to check your balance beforehand to avoid declined transactions. You can check your balance online, through the mobile app, or by calling customer service. In addition to making purchases, you can also use your card to withdraw cash at ATMs worldwide. Be aware that some ATMs may charge a fee, so it is best to use Western Union affiliated ATMs to avoid additional charges. To manage your card account, you can log in to the Western Union website or mobile app. From there, you can view your transaction history, check your balance, and set up account alerts. Some best practices to keep in mind when using your Western Union Visa card include monitoring your account activity regularly, keeping your card and PIN secure, and reporting any suspicious transactions to customer service immediately. In case your card is lost or stolen, contact customer service right away to report the incident and request a replacement card. You can also use the Western Union mobile app to temporarily lock your card and prevent unauthorized transactions. By following these steps and best practices, you can use your Western Union Visa card with confidence and convenience. Remember to always keep your account information and card details secure to avoid any potential issues.